You want to film? Yes.
So, what have you seen to be the benefits of homeschooling and having kids be part of Global Village, and especially in terms of the cultural experiences that they get to have?
Well, as an educator and a teacher who has taught in public schools, and I've seen many of the Native students, Indian students that get lost in the system. And one of the big advantages of the Global Village School is that it connects them to a different kind of education where they can express their values and carry on their traditions where nowhere else can that be learned. I mean, the public school system really cannot teach the values that the tribe wants that each of their members have, which includes, songs and dances and places that they need to visit instead of, a field trip to the park. Our field trips go to sacred places or to ceremonial events, which instills that value and gives them credit for practicing the kind of life they're going to have in their future. While they're going to have jobs and they're going to have this and that, they also are expected to carry on a tribal way of life and know some of the tribal history and background and to learn how to pass that on. And no other schools can do that. How's that?